In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install these animated emotes that absolutely anybody in your Twitch chat can use. It's actually really easy and really quick to do, so let's install them together. The first thing that you're going to want to do is head on over to BetterTTV. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description to the correct website. Once you click on it, it's going to ask you to download for Chrome. Make sure to click on download for Chrome and add as a Chrome extension. I promise you, it's nothing that's going to harm your computer. Once you've added it as a Chrome extension, you're going to go back to the website and make sure to log in with your Twitch account. So you're just going to authorize it and it's going to be really quick, and then you can go straight to the dashboard. Once you've installed it as an extension, go back to the website and head on over to the dashboard. You'll notice here at the dashboard that you're able to install 15 shared emotes, and you're also able to upload 15 of your own emotes. Now, to install an emote, all you gotta do is click on the emotes tab. Once you're here at the emotes page, you're gonna see a library of amazing, hilarious, and funny emotes that your chat can use. I had a blast looking through these, and I'm sure you are going to too. I'm curious as to what was the first one you chose. Let me know down in the comments below. But all you gotta do to install one is click on it and then say add to channel, and then boom, you can select up to 15 of these. Now there's a few more quick things that we need to do so that we can view these in our Twitch chat. So the first thing we want to do is go to your creator dashboard, and once you're there, you're going to want to go to your chat settings and then make sure to switch to non-mod settings. To switch to non-mod settings, all you gotta do is click on the cogwheel in your chat settings there, and then make sure to click the little purple one there that says switch to non-mod settings. Then the next thing you want to do in these settings is to go to Better TTV settings there and make sure that the emotes are enabled. Once you've done this, your chat should be able to use them. To find them, all you gotta do is click on the emoji icon in your chat box, and voila! Your chat should be looking absolutely glorious now. I managed to set this entire thing up in literally 2 minutes while live streaming, being guided by two amazing human beings. I want to give a huge shout out to MoonFlower and Cam who helped me set these up, so you guys can check them out. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description to their Twitch channel. So yeah. And if you're looking to continue growing your Twitch stream, you know that the #1 golden rule is to make content on more discoverable platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Well, guess what? I have a guide that's just come out that's going to give you a strategy to use for each platform so that you can continue to grow on Twitch. So I'm going to see you guys in that video, and it's really important that you check it out. So let's do it.